Folks, this is Hector Garcia, CPA and QuickBooks consultant. And if you're brand new to my channel actually it's around accounting, bookkeeping, taxes, QuickBooks, Excel, that sort of thing. However, today's April 15th, 2020, and people are still applying for the Paycheck Protection Program. So I went into PayPal and took a look at what the process looks like inside the PayPal website. Now, at this point, you're a little bit late to the game if you're just applying for a Paycheck Protection Program, because as of the time I update this video, the funds will probably be gone by then. Hopefully, Congress will approve a little bit more to allow some of the self-employed people, some of the smaller businesses that didn't get a chance to apply. But anyway, if you are applying now and you want to apply via PayPal, this video will be useful for you. The domain name is loanbuilder.com/PPP-loan-application. Don't worry, I'll put the link in the description below. I'm not endorsing this. I have no idea why it's loanbuilder.com and not paypal.com. However, that's what it shows up when I do the search. So we're going to go ahead and in the website itself, we're just going to click on apply now. There should be a button somewhere that says apply now. And then you just click on that and that will take you straight into the application process. So the first thing that you'll see is just your basic information. So you're going to put your business name, first name, last name, email address. If you don't have a corporation, just put your same name as your business name. But if you have an LLC, an Inc., a Corp, whatever, then you should be using the corporate name in there. Then you're going to answer the most basic questions that they're going to ask you. And you have to say no to everything, assuming that's truthful. And the very last one, you're going to put no also if you have not been approved to get a PPP loan somewhere else. So we'll go ahead and click on continue. And on the next page, it's going to ask me for my full company information. So let's start with the entity type. And depending on what you are, right, S Corp, C Corp, LLC, partnership, whatever, I'm going to put independent contractor. And under trade name, I'm going to leave it empty because let's say I don't even have a business. It's just me as an independent contractor, as a sole proprietor. So let me finish putting the address, zip code, the business phone number, and the business start date, or when did I start with this economic activity per se, assuming it's not a legal entity. So I'll just put here 1/1. Oops, that didn't work. Okay, 1/2019. Let's say I started doing business in 1/2019. I'll pick my business industry and I'll look for my like my sub industry. And I don't know, let me go back and change that to accounting and finance and accounting and payroll. Okay, so I'm going to pick the one, obviously you're going to pick the one that matters to you. I'm going to put the number of employees. And then let's say if it's you are the only person, self-employed, whatever, you're going to put just one, right? But if you actually have employees, you're going to put a different number. So let me calculate my monthly payroll. Let's say that my profit is $100,000 a year, and I'm going to divide that by 12 and then put the number 8333. Now, I have a different set of videos that explain how to calculate that profit. So my profit's 100,000, and I'm going to divide that by 12, and that's my monthly payroll cost. So I'll agree to the next checkbox there, and then I'm going to put my title. So I'll just put there independent contractor, president, whatever, right? I don't have a business. I'm doing it as a sole proprietor or independent contractor. Let me put my phone number there and then select mobile or home. I'll put my social security number there. That's a bunch of ones, so that's not real. Federal ID, let's say I don't have a federal tax ID, so I'll skip that. I'll put my date of birth. Let's put an address here. Okay. And a city, state, and zip code. Now, it says federal ID required. We'll go back to that. I'm going to leave it blank for now, see what happens. But I don't have an EIN number. I don't have a federal tax ID. So we'll see what happens if I just leave it blank. Yes, I'm a citizen. I own 100% of this business. There are no other owners of this business. So I'll put no. And I have control. I'm a controlling manager. Okay, so that didn't work. Maybe I do have to put something under federal tax ID. So the instruction says just put your social security number if you're a sole proprietorship. Okay, that makes total sense. So I'm going to go ahead and click on continue. And let's see what the next page looks like. Okay, what am I going to use the money for? So I'm going to use it for payroll. I guess that's good enough. I'm not a franchise. I don't own any other businesses. I didn't get EIDL, Advanced SBA loan. I'm going to read all these things, make sure I read them, I understand them. I agree to all of them, and then click on I understand, and then click on submit. All right, perfect. So then I got an email that says, let's log in and create a user ID and password to a loan builder account so I can continue loading up the information, the documents. So I follow the process, create my account, add the security questions, and then hit continue. And let's see what happens. Okay, so it's asking me for 4 pieces of information, beneficial owner information. So let me go ahead and click on get started. Depending on whether you put your own owner or your 50-50 owner, this is where you can add additional owners. So if there's more than one 20% owner of the business, you actually have to put all the 20% owners of the business. So I'm just going to fill out this information. Of course, if you're a sole proprietor, if you're self-employed, if you're independent contractor, you're only going to have one person, one owner. But I'm doing the example of adding a second one just in case you are applying as a partnership or as a corporation, something that would have multiple owners in there. So I'll finish putting all this information, date of birth, social security, and let's say that yes, I'm a US citizen, and then continue. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the checkbox that I agree that this is true. Hit continue, and then let's see what the next question here is while that loads. Okay, next one, business license, payroll verification. Let me go into, which one should I do next? Let me do business license. So I'm going to click there on get started, and I'm going to find my business license that I have somewhere in my computer. I'm going to download my articles of incorporation. Maybe that works. I don't know if I have a business license for this one, but I'm going to go ahead and save my articles of incorporation and upload those. It does say business license, so I can't promise you that articles of incorporation work. You probably have to put an actual business license with dates, something that proves that your business, it's actually a business legally set up in your state, in your city, in your county to the business. All right, what's the next one we're going to do? Let's do bank account information. So this is easy enough. I'm just going to put my bank account routing number and checking account number, put the same as a deposit account, and click on submit. Okay, that will take care of that. So we got, let's see what else we got here. We got 2 things down there, more stuff. Okay, so I have to upload a bank statement. So let me click on get started. Let me upload my bank statement and click on submit. I just uploaded 1. Not sure exactly if I need to do 12 or just 1. I uploaded 1, maybe just to verify that your bank account is, it's yours. All right, let's do, what should I do next? Payroll verification. All right, so let me go ahead and upload. It says here, download average monthly payroll calculator. So I'm going to download the spreadsheet, and let me open up the spreadsheet, see what it looks like. So we got a trusty spreadsheet from PayPal here. So we're going to have to fill out the spreadsheet. I don't want to spend too much time in the video reading every single box. I'm going to go in and figure out which one is the one that makes sense for me, hit the check boxes where I'm supposed to. It is a business that was active for the whole year. Let's assume that. So we'll leave that option. And then we have to go into total gross salaries and wages, and we have to figure out what's our salaries and wages, upload that, save it, upload it, and that went with that. I assume you also have to upload there your tax returns, your payroll forms, that sort of thing. Let me upload my driver's license because it looks like you also have to do that. So I scan my driver's license and submit it. And let's see what's the next step here. And that's it. It says that application's on the review. So at this point, I haven't gone through the next step yet. I'm not 100% certain what it looks like. I don't know if they're gonna call me. I don't know if they're gonna email me. I went in there, I created my account, I did my application, and I uploaded all the documents that were supposed to. So I'm crossing my fingers that the underwriting process is quick. Let's see what happens. If something's particularly important that I need to let you know about, I'll probably do another video, or I'll come back to this channel and add some comments or add some additional information in the description. Anyway, so if you're late to the PPP game and you're about to apply now and you've been dragging your feet, I think you should do this ASAP. You really shouldn't be wasting any more time and apply ASAP. It looks like PayPal allows you to apply if you have a sole proprietor, if you're a single member LLC, if you're a corporation, S Corp, nonprofit. It looks like it gives you all the options, which I like. And also, it's not requiring you to have a business checking account because they're not a bank. So you're uploading your bank statements to prove that they're your bank statements, but I'm not sure how they use that in order to verify whether you're a business or not. So we'll see. If you guys have no banks to do this with, if you bank at a major bank, Chase, Bank of America, Citibank, Wells Fargo, whatever, and you had a tough time applying for XYZ reason, PayPal's an option. I've been using regular PayPal for my website and my e-commerce for years, and I trust PayPal. I've been using it for eBay, for all sorts of things. I trust PayPal as a company. So if they're endorsing this product called Loan Builder, which is, it looks like it's a PayPal service, is what they're offering, and this is an SBA application. I can't endorse it because I don't know for sure. I haven't gotten funded from this loan, but I can tell you I trust the PayPal brand, and hopefully this will be a good solution for you. Let me know in your comments below whether it worked for you, what it looked like. Did you get funded? Please let me know and let the world know whether or not this is a good solution. Anyway, good luck.